In Victoria, BC, a house that was built in 1905 is coming down.
All coming down.
But most of this house will find a new life because this is Victoria's first residential deconstruction project. Across Canada, landfills are overflowing with waste from the construction and demolition industries, an estimated 9 million tons per year. And about 40% of that is wood waste, making it the largest item by weight in our landfills. But upcycling wood by reusing it can extend its life.
Deconstruction is an alternative to demolition. So instead of having a machine come in and smash the building apart, mostly intact, we strip it back layer by layer. And we salvage what we can, and then whatever can't be salvaged is separated on site, and it goes to the proper recycling depot with the overall goal to minimize the total amount of material going to landfill. This project is really exciting. In particular, this is the nicest lumber we've ever seen. It came from big old trees, so from the old growth trees that we really don't have many left, and we don't mill them for dimensional lumber anymore.
Here at the City of Victoria, Council has stated that their interest in looking at a potential deconstruction policy is something that aligns with our zero waste strategy. It's something that the city sees as important and a real opportunity to make a really big impact.
In the Metro Vancouver region, some of the salvaged wood is sold at Habitat for Humanity, an international charity. Independent companies such as Woodshop Workers Co-op in Vancouver use salvaged wood to create furniture and other items. In 2020, Woodshop used 50 tons of wood from deconstructed buildings.
A really great thing about recovering wood here in the city is the kind of wood that you get. Almost always it's reclaimed Douglas fir. Old growth Douglas fir, beautiful, has a lot of character in it. Can really be a representation of the story of the city and the story of our past. There's lots of different partnerships and opportunities for us to increase our impact and to create a stronger circularity to the recovery of this wood as well as the growth of the green economy.
Over in Quebec, wood waste upcycling is at the center of North America's largest particle board manufacturing plant. Each week, 700 trucks bring wood fiber to Tafisa's facility in the Lac-Mégantic region. 30% of that wood fiber comes from construction and demolition.
We've been using recycled wood in our program that we call ReWood since 2005. The recycled wood we use comes mainly from New England and Quebec. Essentially, we are prolonging the carbon cycle by extending the life of the wood for about another 20 years.
Quebec's government is using policy change to incentivize wood waste diversion. The province's new organic material development strategy will increase landfill fees to encourage the use of recycling centres.
I think we'll see big changes both in the municipal services but also private sector services. We are looking to have more sorting capacity for construction and demolition waste in the province. Also, we aim to develop and diversify and market for wood, for example, to make sure that we can reuse, recycle, and recover all the wood and make sure that it stays in Quebec.
Across Canada, entrepreneurs and innovators are providing new ways to keep wood waste out of the landfill. And the circular economy could be further helped by additional policy changes.
We want to see if there's some way the federal or provincial government can entertain a salvage subsidy of sorts. We subsidize other industries that aren't necessarily progressive for the environment or creating new jobs that don't exist, which is what deconstruction does.
Awareness of the value of upcycled wood is increasing and is inspiring solutions right across the supply chain.